ready, 3, 2, and whoop-a!
Ooh, bone apple tea. Where else would you rather be? On what's today? Thursday night?
Yeah.
Yeah, Thirsty Thursdays.
Thirsty Thursdays, my man. I don't know what could be better.
Absolutely nothing.
Ooh, it's coming off. To detail.
The focus required.
It requires much attention.
It's unspeakable.
It's cannot
The whole
be.
time I just with my eyes closed.
Try it. Go for it.
This is what I do all the time. I love this. This is the real art. Because right now I'm just recording whatever my soul wants to say. And it's like, is it random? Or how could it be random if it's at this place, this time, in this moment? So it's all connected and it's synced together. But this is what I love about it. Is because my one rule is you can't mess up. So you just get to do whatever you want. And then you get to focus back in, lock back in.
Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Ready, 3, 2, and whoop-a!